UCPDC, that is Uniform Customs and Practices for Documentary Credits. So here documentary credits means letter of credit. So UCPDC stands for Uniform Customs and Practices for Documentary Credits. UCPDC pertains to what? UCPDC are the rules which have been framed by International Chamber of Commerce Paris, which regulate the transactions under letter of credit. So these transactions can be under a foreign letter of credit, or these transactions can be under inland letter of credit. So letter of credit is covered by the rules called UCPDC and framed by ICC Paris. Now the latest version of UCPDC is UCPDC 600. It comprises 39 articles and 12 e-articles. UCPDC is not automatically applicable on a letter of credit. It becomes applicable only on those LCs which specifically provide for application of UCPDC. If respective parties want to avoid UCPDC, they need not make any mention of UCPDC in the LC. But if they want that the letter of credit should be regulated by UCPDC, then they have to specifically mention that this LC is regulated under UCPDC. As said earlier, UCPDC has been updated from time to time, and the present version is UCPDC 600. It has come into force from 1st July 2007. Now it is possible that the provisions of letter of credit and provisions of UCPDC, they are contradictory. So if there is a contradiction in the provisions of LC and UCPDC, the provisions of LC will prevail. Another provision in UCPDC is branches of a bank in different countries are to be considered separate bank for the purpose of letter of credit transactions under UCPDC. So if a bank is having branches in different countries, these branches will not be considered as one bank, rather the branches in different countries shall be treated as separate banks. Another important provision in UCPDC is documents dated prior to LC can be accepted during validity period for negotiation. So if a letter of credit has been issued on January 20th, but documents are dated January 15th, these documents are valid documents. These will be accepted for payment provided these are presented within validity period for negotiation. So I am repeating this part. Documents dated prior to LC are valid. These can be accepted during validity period of negotiation. Now UCPDC 600, it provides many interpretations to make the things certain. So one of these interpretations related to insurance. So insurance, first point, amount of insurance not written in letter of credit. If amount of insurance is not written in letter of credit, it will be assumed that it has to be at least 110% of CIF value or CIP value. So whenever in a letter of credit amount of insurance is not mentioned, the amount of insurance will be minimum 110% of CIF value or CIP value. It is also possible in a letter of credit the currency of insurance policy is not mentioned. If a currency of insurance policy is not mentioned in the LC, it should be the same currency as currency of LC. Another interpretation. Insurance policy dated subsequent to date of shipment can be accepted provided the insurance cover is effective from date of shipment. For example, date of shipment is January 20th. Policy is dated January 22nd. This policy is not valid for the purpose of UCPDC. But if this policy is made effective from January 20th, that is date of shipment, then it will be accepted as a valid document. So insurance policy which is dated subsequent to date of shipment can be accepted. It will be valid document provided the insurance cover is made effective from date of shipment. There are many other aspects relating to letter of credit, many articles, important ones. If you want to know more about UCPDC and other banking relating aspects or foreign exchange, etc., please log in our website, or you can call us, or you can email us. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you have benefited by this presentation. Thank you.